adding my butter. I add this much of butter for the oatmeal. Once the butter melts, then I add my packs. Now I add 2 packs of the Quaker Maple&Brown oatmeal. Excuse my oven, I gotta clean it. And I let cook. Well, actually, I'm gonna add an extra pack, which is the original plain, because I don't want to add another maple and then it's extremely sweet. So I'm just gonna add plain. So it's 3 packs, 1 original and 2 maple, and then you're just gonna let that cook on low. To add some milk, not too much milk. So now I am making my peanut butter oatmeal. I'm going to place my oatmeal into the bowl. Then place my oatmeal into the bowl. See? Then I'm gonna place my jelly. This is my famous peanut butter and jelly oatmeal. I hope you guys enjoyed, because I will be enjoying this. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed, because I will be enjoying this. This is my peanut butter and jelly oatmeal.